Republic Day. Today was Republic Day, and Gattu and Chinky were getting ready to go to school. Papa looks at them and says, "What's the matter, Gattu Chinky? You both look very happy today?"
Yes, Papa. We are also participating in the events today.
Oh, that's good. What events are you participating in?
Yes, today on the occasion of Republic Day, some games will be played in our school. And I and Gattu are the leaders of opposite teams.
Oh, then the competition is going to be very tough, huh?
Then Papa drops Gattu Chinky to school. Hari, Bunty and Goody were already waiting for them there.
Gattu Chinky, why are you guys so late? The event is about to start. Yes, friends, come let's go quickly.
Gattu Chinky say bye to Papa and go inside the school. Today the school was decorated beautifully. There was tricolor theme decoration everywhere, and the event was organized in the school ground. All the children gather. After some time, the teacher makes an announcement on the mic.
Good morning, children. Happy Republic Day.
Happy Republic Day, ma'am.
Come on, children. Now all of you sit comfortably on your seats and the children participating in the event come forward.
Children do the same after the teacher's announcement. Gattu, Chinky, Hari, Goody and Bunty were the leaders of the 5 teams, and all 5 come on the stage. Their team members also come with them. The teacher gives a cap to all the leaders.
Here you go, children. These are your caps. Okay, kids. So there will be 3 rounds in this event. And the team that wins in the final round will be the winner of the Republic Day competition. So, let's start round 1. In round 1, we will ask questions related to Republic Day, and the team which gives maximum correct answers first will win and go to the next round. Okay?
The teacher asks the first question, and all the 5 teams had a bell. Whoever gets the answer will press the bell.
So the first question is, why is Republic Day celebrated?
On hearing the teacher's question, the leaders of all the 5 teams rang their bells.
Yes, I know this was a very easy question. That's why everyone knows it. But as Chinky rang the bell first, so Chinky will answer this question.
Yes, ma'am. We celebrate Republic Day because our constitution was adopted on this day.
Very good. This answer is absolutely correct.
All the children clap for Chinky.
So Chinky's team gets 1 point. Now the second question. Who was the chief guest of our first Republic Day parade?
This question was a bit tough. So all the children start thinking. But then a child from Gattu's team says to him,
Gattu, I know the answer of this. You press the bell.
Sure na? You know it, right?
Yes, sure.
Gattu presses the bell on Monu's word.
Oh, Gattu, tell me, who was the chief guest?
Yes, ma'am. Monu from my team will answer. Ma'am, President of Indonesia, Sukarno, chief guest for our first Republic Day.
Very good, Monu. And with this, Gattu's team gets a point. Bunty, Goody and Hari, you guys haven't given a single answer yet. You have to do something quickly. Otherwise, how will you go to the second round?
Now the competition was getting tougher because of what the teacher said. With this, the teacher asks her next question.
Okay, so the next question is, when is the beating retreat ceremony celebrated in the Republic Day celebration?
On hearing the teacher's question, Hari and Bunty press the bell together.
Oh, great! This time Hari and Bunty rang the bell together. So Bunty, you tell me first.
Ma'am, this ceremony is celebrated at the beginning of the Republic Day celebration.
Oh, wrong answer. Hari, you tell me.
Ma'am, this ceremony is celebrated at the end of the celebration.
Very good. This is the right answer. The next question is, what is the traditional venue of the Republic Day parade?
As soon as the teacher asks this question, all the children quickly ring the bell. But this time also, only Gattu, Chinky and Hari knew the correct answer, which was Kartavya Path. That is why the teacher announces,
So kids, with this, our first round comes to an end. And Gattu, Chinky and Hari's team goes to the second round.
all the children clap for the winning teams. Gattu sees that Bunty is getting sad and going back from the stage. Then Gattu stops him and says,
Bunty, don't be sad. You also played very well. And later we will also have an ice cream party.
After listening to Gattu, Bunty starts feeling better. Now round 2 starts.
The rules for the second round are simple. This is like a treasure hunt. I will give you only 2 hints, and the 2 children among you 3 who recognizes the hints will go to the third round. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Gattu, Chinky and Hari. This is your first hint. It goes up and down but does not move from its place.
After listening to the teacher, all the children get confused and start thinking.
What is this?
One of Chinky's team members says,
This is a very confusing hint, isn't it, Chinky? Minnie, think carefully. You will definitely understand the answer.
But when everyone was thinking, Gattu runs away and goes to the stairs. And he finds a card there on which it was written, You are right.
Yay! I was right. The stairs goes up and down, but don't move from their place.
All the children clap for Gattu's intelligence.
Very good, Gattu. Now the next hint is, I don't walk on feet, but I am restless the whole day.
Oh, this is so easy.
Chinky says this much and quickly goes to the clock in the hall. And there she gets a chit just like Gattu.
Yay! I also won.
Very good, Chinky. So now it is the final round in which Gattu and Chinky are facing each other, and this round will decide who will be the winner. And in this round, only team leaders will participate. Okay?
All the children had become very serious now because the competition had reached the final round. Gattu and Chinky wish each other luck.
All the best, Gattu, because you are competing with me. Let's see, Chinky, because you need all the luck.
Then round 3 begins.
Children, now Sir will come and he will say some slogans. These are famous slogans of our freedom fighters. You have to identify the freedom fighter from the slogan. The one who gives the most answers will be the winner.
All the children clap loudly. And the game begins. Sir shouts slogans loudly on the mic. Inqilab Zindabad! Chinky presses the bell hearing Sir's slogan.
I know this one, sir. I know.
Yes, Chinky, tell me slowly.
Bhagat Singh Ji.
Very good, Chinky. So Chinky gets a point. Now the next slogan is Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Chinky rings the bell once again, while Gattu keeps thinking. Yes, Chinky, tell me.
Sir, this slogan is of Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Very good, Chinky. You will get one more point. Gattu, hurry up. Chinky is winning. Gattu was getting a little tensed now. Then Sir says the next slogan. I will not give my Jhansi. This time Gattu rings the bell before Chinky.
Oh, Queen of Jhansi. Queen of Jhansi.
What's the name of the Queen of Jhansi, Gattu?
Rani Lakshmi Bai, sir.
Very good. So this was Chinky's third consecutive correct answer. And with this, Chinky is the winner of this round and today's competition. As soon as they hear Sir's words, all the children and teachers and Gattu also starts clapping for Chinky.
Yay! See, Gattu, I won. Yes, Chinky, you're very smart. Congratulations.
Now all the children stand up because the principal ma'am will hoist the flag.
All the children stand on their respective places and the principal ma'am does the flag hoisting. Lots of flowers fall down from the flag, and then all the teachers and children sing the national anthem together. After the school event, all the children have an ice cream party to celebrate Chinky's victory.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.